Hey everybody, this is Dustin and Oso, your specialist. So Oso's in the back doing insert molding on this Keystone Voltage. Again, it's a 2022. And he says, hey boss, let me show you some pictures, right? And I don't know if they're gonna show up good, but let's see if we can see them in reflection. Can you see that at all?
Yep.
Right. So basically what he's doing is he's took some pictures for us on that unit and he says, hey, you know, I'm replacing the insert molding. He says, but this unit has had overspray over the top of the sealant. And I'll post some pictures later on it. But whatever the chemicals have been used to clean the surface of the roof, it's not only took the paint off of the existing lap sealant, so whether it be Dicor Alpha or whatever brand's on there, but we are suspecting that they're either going through like a diesel truck wash or something like that, because the soap up there showing it too aggressive, and it's actually in his camera here, it's drying out the membrane and it's drying out the soaps and causing the sealants to shrink, dry, and crack.
And so crystallify the roof membrane.
And crystallify the roof membrane, yeah. So we see that a lot. So if you're one of those guys that's, you know, I mean, this thing is massive. It would take two guys a full day to clean and wash this coach. This thing is 40-something feet long. So make sure if you're running these through the car washes or through the diesel truck washes and whatnot, that you're checking to find out what kind of soaps that they're using, that it's not too strong and abrasive, because it will dry out not only all the plastics on the roof, but it'll dry out all the sealants, it'll dry out all the membrane surface and cause everything to shrink, dry, and crack. So good shot for checking it out for the customers. He's gonna take those pictures and he'll send them back to Sam, who's probably the service advisor on this unit, and let everybody know. So thanks again, and great job also.
Learning from the old people.
All right, you guys have a great day.
All
Dustin
right.
and Oso, your RV specialist.